Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashish, and I'm and here it is my project which I'm going to show on tourism management system. And this is my dashboard, in which here we can see how many packages list are there which we can book, and here total 9 number of packages. Which from here we can see the details of our package, from where we have to go, and we can fill the date from which date we want to travel. But before we want to book, we have to log in. So here we go in sign up and write our email. And after signing, we are allowed to book our packages. Like if you want to travel Swiss, Paris, then we select date from 10th of July to 15th of July. And by clicking here, we can book our package to Paris by confirming our email ID and password. Now our package is booked, and we can see our package history, what we have booked, by clicking my tour history. And here it shows there are total 5 number of packages we have booked, and which some are cancelled and some are in the process. If we want to make a new login, like new account, then we can create a new account by going here, like and here new account is created, and now we will sign in the new account. And new account, we can see that in tour history it is new, so here is no bookings and also no ticket raised. And if we book a new package, then it will be shown here. Like if you want to go to Bhutan, you have to select date 24, 28 packages. And now the Bhutan package is booked, and we can see which package is booked by clicking on my tour history. And here it will show that the Bhutan package is booked. And if we want to cancel, then we'll cancel from here, and it is now cancelled. And by here we can change our password also. And here is the admin login, in which show all the details. This is the admin dashboard, in which so here is total 11 number of users which have created an account on that, and issue raised 7, by what reason they are cancelled or what are the reasons. Like, and like here total 9 packages, I have 3 inquiries, new inquiries 1, read inquiries, booking 8, new booking, cancel booking, and confirm booking. All is shown on the admin dashboard. And if we want some help, then we can write here, like select issue, like cancellation, booking issue, refund. If you selected cancellation, and I want no more traveling, and submit, then the issue is shown here in race tickets. Like, see, here is cancellation, no more traveling.
That is your backend.
Backend, sir, backend, MySQL. The backend, PHP. PHP skill.
Which backend is that?
PHP, sir.
The CAM server is.
Yes, sir. होता है.
Open your PHP. This is your database.
What, sir?
This is your database.
Yes, sir.
The coding side now.
Yes, sir.
There is a database.
Here.
If we can create any record in your database, that record can be shown in the front. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
डिलीट करो यहाँ से, वहाँ शो नहीं होना चाहिए उसका डिटेल्स.
Like,
वो एक रिकॉर्ड डिलीट करो यहाँ से.
yes, see, I have deleted.
फिर वहाँ से जाकर उस रिकॉर्ड को फाइंड करो फ्रंट एंड से, शो नहीं होना चाहिए फ्रंट
Yes, sir.
एंड.
लॉगिन करके देखते हैं. शो नहीं करेगा. I have deleted the Sasi account and now और
तो इनपुट हो गया. अकाउंट आपने डिलीट किया बट यहाँ से इनपुट हो गया.
1 second as I Yes, sir.
Okay, next, show your coding. There is your connectivity.
So here.
Connectivity string कहाँ है?
What's it?
यहाँ पे डॉलर साइन क्यों यूज किया? Why you can using the dollar sign, dollar $DBH?
This one.
What do you mean by that particular dollar sign?